I'm Priscilla Barrera, the Battery Metals reporter with the Investing News Network. Welcome back to our monthly video, this time for the month of June. At the very end of last month, the Cobalt space saw top producer Glencore sign a long-term supply deal with Umicore, which is Europe's largest battery materials producer for the electric vehicle industry. The cobalt will be sourced from Glencore's top mines in the Democratic Republic of Congo, Kamoto and Mutanda, guaranteeing Umicore's security of supply as it continues to expand its battery materials value chain. In other company news, mining investment company Pala Investment announced it will pay 501 million Canadian dollars for battery metals royalty and streaming company Cobalt 27. As a result of the transaction, a new company will be established, Nickel 28, in reference to nickel's number on the periodic table. Cobalt prices have continued to decline last month, from the high seen at $40 per pound to the range of $14 to $15 as we enter the typically slow summer season. Market participants point to a surge in production in the Democratic Republic of Congo, with traders having a difficult time selling cobalt to Chinese buyers. Let's now have a look at what's been happening in the lithium space. One of the biggest news last month was the announcement that the London Metal Exchange had selected price reporting agency Fast Markets to develop a lithium futures contract. The contract aims to bring transparency to lithium prices, which have been under pressure the last months. However, a few hours after, producers were quick to state that they were hesitant about the move, with US-based Albemarle rejecting to provide price information for the contract or contribute. In other company news, Toyota Tsusho said it will take another 2 years to properly assess the electric vehicle market's direction before deciding to expand supply. The Japanese company currently produces around 15,000 tons of lithium carbonate at its plant in Argentina through a joint venture with Australian miner Orocobre. Toyota Tsusho is part of the Toyota Group headed by Toyota Motor, which in June said it expects half of its sales to come from electric vehicles by 2025, 5 years ahead of schedule. Looking over to Australia, Pilbara Minerals reported record production at its Pilangura project in Western Australia. But the company's major offtake partners for Stage 1, China's General Lithium and Ganfeng, have been taking longer than expected to ramp up new chemical conversion facilities in China, forcing Pilbara to limit production in June. In June, INN was also at the Lithium Supply and Markets Conference in Chile, where we had the chance to talk to CEOs and experts, including Joe Lowry of Global Lithium, Chris Berry of House Mountain Partners, Howard Klein of RK Equity, and Alex Cheeseman of Altura Mining, among many others. You can check out all our interviews on our YouTube channel. And that wraps up our June update. Join us next month for another recap. In the meantime, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.